Did you know that you can accelerate hair growth? Many women dream of long, shiny, and soft hair. Isn't it true? But the truth is that many women can't reach their desired length because their hair takes too long to grow. Does it happen to you? Thinking about it, we decided to teach you a natural recipe that can help with this issue. The recipe you will learn has rosemary, cinnamon, and cloves. Do you know the benefits of each ingredient for your tresses? Rosemary is recommended for oily hair because it is astringent. It also helps strengthen hair follicles and prevents hair loss. Rosemary improves circulation on the scalp and stimulates hair growth. Cinnamon is amazing to bring new life to dull and brittle hair. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins that strengthen the hair, it stimulates growth and lends shine to the hair. Cloves are highly astringent and deeply cleanse the hair, stimulating the volume and length of your locks. It is important to remember that, for you to see an effect without overloading your scalp with growth vitamins, you must use this homemade shampoo 3 times a week at most. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now you will see how you can make your hair grow faster. Write down the ingredients. 3.40 ounces salt-free shampoo, 1 tablespoon rosemary leaves, around 1 ounce, 1 tablespoon cloves, 3 tablespoons cinnamon powder. Directions: mix all ingredients until smooth. Put the mixture in a shampoo bottle and let it act for a whole week for the shampoo to absorb the vitamins. After that, you can use your shampoo. Apply the shampoo on your scalp and massage for 2 minutes, from the roots to the tips, then rinse as usual. You can use this shampoo for up to 12 weeks. After this period, give your hair a 1-month rest before restarting the treatment. So, did you like this recipe? Did you know it already? Did you know that this recipe can also be used on eyebrows and beard? Try it and share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.